it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hope that sometimes I won't.
Hello traders, how you guys doing today? My name is Fidel. For the ones that don't know me, I'm a day trader. I'm a swing trader as well, and I'll be trading majority penny stocks, you guys. If you guys want to know more about me, how I'm very profitable at trading the stock market, feel free and look through my videos and learn more about what I do and the way I do it. Okay, team. But look, today, team, I wanted to make a video how you could profit in the stock market by learning patterns, because you know the market is basically run on emotions of humans, because about 90% of traders lose money because they're basically trading based on emotion, not logic. But today, this video I wanted to make you guys is basically about patterns, and be able to capitalize on the pattern, be able to make that pattern basically play it out for you and profit from it. Okay, but before I get into that, team, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a like if you guys learned something from it, and make sure you share it with other traders so they can learn the patterns as well. Okay, team. So as you can see right here, team, I wanted to talk about the bullish patterns. Okay, and basically this is all the patterns right here, as you can see, bullish and bearish. And I try to basically memorize the bullish by heart, and the reason is because every time I see the pattern playing out, I'm able to capitalize on the pattern according to where the pattern's at that moment. So as we're just going to go over the bullish patterns, because if you understand, you'll be able to master the bullish patterns. It's basically the same thing for the bearish, but just opposite. All right, team? So as you guys could see right here, the first pattern that we have right here is a flag pattern. Okay, and we're talking about the bullish, and it's a flag pattern, so you can see how it's waving the flag. You see what I'm saying? Letting you know the bulls are in control. The next pattern is the pendant pattern. As you can see how it goes up, then it struggles there for several minutes, then it breaks through, then it continues to go. The next one that I see a lot in the stock market, you guys, especially when the market is hot and it opens up real much, or is up 30, 40, 20% pre-market, and as soon as the market opens, it drops down, then it starts to work its way up slowly. Then when it hits that resistance, it drops down a little bit, then it goes up, then it breaks it, and it continues to go. That pattern right here, you call it the cup and handle pattern. Okay, team. The next pattern right here, team, is the exceeding triangle pattern. That's a pattern that I see often myself too, when it's working its way up and it hits a level of resistance, but it stays hitting that level of resistance for a period of time. Then eventually it's gonna break above and it's gonna continue to go, or it's gonna drop. Okay. Now the next pattern that I see here often too, team, is the symmetrical triangle pattern. And again, it shoots up, then it comes down, then it shoots up to half of the way where it shot the first time, then it comes down smaller, then it shoots up and breaks that resistance of where it shot out twice. You see what I'm saying? Another one that I see a lot, team, when something's moving real fast and it's going stupid nova, is the measure up pattern. That's when it just goes up, consolidates a little bit, and keeps going up. Another one that I see a lot too is the ascending scallop. Basically, when you're scalping, when you notice that the stock is jumping within the increments. You see what I'm saying? Up and down within the increment. And for example, let's say the increment is 20 cents increment for that stock, and it's jumping from, let's say, $1, right, to 80 cents. $1 to 80 cents a couple times. So if you know how to play the sniper strategy, you'll be able to scalp that real quick, get in at the low close 80s and sell it at the high close $1. You see what I'm saying? That's a scallop, right? Scalping. Another triangle that I see often, team, especially right now in the market, you guys, is the three rising valleys. The three rising valleys, you guys, is when it goes stupid nova and it goes real good and it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it comes down, team. And that usually takes about a week process. The rising valley, the three rising valleys. Sometimes it's more than just that, though, the three rising valleys. Okay, another pattern that I want to show you guys right here is when the stock goes supernova. Majority, this is the ideal 5-day pattern for an upward trend, you guys. And just visualize this. As you can see, on Monday it goes up, and if it doesn't consolidate on Monday, on Tuesday it will consolidate. Now on Wednesday it will continue to go up again, making the rising valley, for example. Now if it doesn't go up on Wednesday, it will drop. Okay, and on Thursday it will drop as well. Then on Friday it will bounce and continue to go up. Basically make about 3 legs, 4 legs within a week. So this is the ideal patterns, okay, of a 5-day upward trend. Majority it could play on Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Monday. It don't have to be specific, from Monday to Friday. It could play out Monday on Wednesday and play out like that. Okay, team? And these are very smart patterns, very good patterns that I see a lot in the market, you guys. All right? Another pattern that I want to show you guys is basically when you see a stock that's at support, or it's about to bounce off, or just bounce off the support. As you can see, this chart right here, BLKB, as you can see right here, this is a 2-month chart, and as you can see, you could really see where's the supports and where are the resistance. So you notice how it dropped real hard right here, right around July. Then you notice that when it starts to reverse, you capitalize on the reverse and sell it at that high or where it was or closest to that high. You see what I'm saying, team? Here's another pattern that I have right here. When it hits resistance 1, 2, 3 times or 4 times, majority, that's the chart when it will break that resistance. As you can see, this is an indicator of where you could buy right when it's about to break, okay, or a few cents right above it, so you can make sure it breaks the resistance chain, and you capitalize while it's breaking and capturing it to a new higher price that day, to a new, it hits a new high of that day. You see what I'm saying? And again, that's breaking the resistance, team. Okay, and that's why I tell sometimes the members, you got to be ready, because look, this right here is about to break the high of the day. And when I say that's the majority, because the stock drop and it work all its way up to come up to that resistance of where it hit before it dropped. Okay, so I just wanted to make that quick video for you guys. I hope you guys learned a lot about these patterns. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys give me a like if you guys did learn anything about what I just taught you guys today. And I make sure you guys have a good day, and make sure we lock in some profit. All right, team, take care. Bye-bye.